Meaning of doula.
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 Doula. A doula is a professional who provides emotional and physical support to pregnant women before, during, and after childbirth. The word doula comes from ancient Greek meaning woman servant or female slave. Doulas do not provide medical care, but rather offer continuous comfort and guidance to the mother and her partner throughout the entire birth process. Studies have shown that having a doula present during childbirth can lead to shorter labor times, fewer interventions, and better overall outcomes for mothers and babies.